have an online business or want to start a digital venture, you must take into account the keywords, as they have a vital importance for your positioning strategies in all available platforms. The importance of keywords is since these are the phrase or term that users search for in Google. For example, when they need to get information on a specific topic, it should be noted that most visits to web pages are thanks to keywords. It is rare for a person to directly type the URL of the site they are looking for. It is common for them to first make use of a search engine and enter the keywords to reach the desired destination. When writing the content of your website, the correct use of keywords to achieve a good positioning should be the following. Add them in the title. Use them in a subtitle. Do not forget that they should also be in the meta description. They must be inside the text, especially in the first paragraph. Write it in the alt text of the images you use. To check how it works, you can use the subble.com page there. Just type the term or terms you want to extract keywords from, and Subble will instantly show you related keywords. If you click on the word corresponding to each of these search engines, you will be taken to the specific website of that result. Another option is to place the results by search engine by clicking on the corresponding icon placed under the search bar. The one that appears by default in the first place is Google, which is the one that shows us the website in square brackets. At the top right, you have several icons that you can use. The one called Top will show you the top internet keywords of that day for the different search engines and grouped in alphabetical order. The book icon is quite useful, as it is used to save keywords that you have been searching for at the moment, and then you can send them to you by email, print them, save them in a .txt file, or check their trend in Google Trends, all at the click of a button.